What's up, YouTube? Make sure to like the video, really helps the channel out. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, hit the bell and share. Help me hit 1,000 subs so I can start live streaming and doing exclusive giveaways through Super Chats to keep the Zippo Mafia alive. Alright YouTube, today we're going to be counting down the top 10 Zippo lighters and cartoons. Now there's several of them and several that are actually quite interesting, so stay tuned, and as you guys can see, the first one is going to be Space Jam.
Sir! Look at me and listen. The customer is always right.
Right?
As you can see, Danny DeVito's villain character lights up a stogie with the Zippo.
Customer is always right.
Exactly.
Always.
Alrighty guys, so coming in at number 9, we have Walt Disney Pixar WALL-E. The infamous scene towards the beginning where Eve plays with WALL-E's Zippo. Not gonna lie guys, long before I even got into collecting Zippos, I remember watching this scene when I went to go see WALL-E as a child in the movie theaters, and I remember specifically Eve playing with the Zippo. Alrighty gang, coming up at number 8 on the list is going to be Constantine, the City of Demons. There's a specific scene where he gets out of his car and does a sick Zippo trick and lights up a cigarette, which you will see here.
Setting foot in there, and so would they.
Alright, so coming in at number 7 is going to be Tom McFarlane's horror series, Spawn. There's 2 notable scenes in this series that have 2 different types of Zippos in them.
As always, sir, Stevens planned to sell his story to the Washington...
As you can see here, it appears this character is using a chrome Zippo.
Rome, tell him we'll fix it all on our end. Done deal, okay?
Don't worry, Mr. Twist, I got it covered.
Get going.
And in this scene, the character Mr. Twist is using a brass Zippo. Okay guys, so coming in at number 6 is going to be one of my personal favorites, Family Guy. Now there's 2 separate episodes, I believe, where both Stewie Griffin and Peter Griffin light up cigarettes with Zippo lighters.
So you could see everything.
Okay.
Then she left, and I realized I was all alone.
Smoke break.
All the oaf for finally showing some initiative. God knows it was years overdue.
So coming in at number 5 is going to be Walt Disney's No Smoking with Goofy, smoking a stogie.
Cigar.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Now I want to hear in the comments section from you guys whether or not you think this is a gold Zippo, because it appears to be. Alright guys, coming in at number 4 is going to be the rare Fred Flintstone Winston cigarette commercial from the late 50s or early 60s. In one scene in the commercial, you can see them using a Zippo. Alrighty YouTube, we're coming down to our final 3. Coming in at number 3 is going to have to be Archer. There's a specific scene in one of the episodes of Archer where he lights up a joint with a Zippo lighter.
Now, gracias a Doobie Medicinao, which I gotta tell you, huge fan.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, and I advocate its use. As a potential role model, I advocate it.
To combat chemotherapy-related nausea, or for cannabidiol's clinically proven ability to inhibit cancer cell growth.
It does that?
Yep, and if you need more, let me know. I got a guy.
Me too,
Alright guys, coming in at number 2, getting close to the end here, is going to be Rick and Morty. There's a specific scene where he uses a Zippo. Alrighty guys, I just want to let this sink in. The smartest man in the universe uses a Zippo to light a blunt. Alrighty guys, without further ado, coming in at number 1 has got to be South Park. Now this one hits home guys. Not only are they using a Zippo, however they're making fun of anti-smoking companies and corporations, so this one hits home with me.
So don't believe what those evil tobacco companies tell you.
Yeah, because if you don't smoke, you can grow up to be just like us.
Here, give me another one. Oh, dude, this is really hard. Oh, shit, here comes Mr. Mackey. Throw him away. Dude, here he comes. Gotta stop coughing.
Alrighty guys, that's going to do it for this video. If you like the video, like, share, comment, subscribe. Anything you do helps, and let me know in the comments if I missed any cartoon characters who use Zippos.